first Mexico race night. We're all about to go to Mexico. About to take a trip to Mexico?
Shit, hell yeah.
You going to Mexico? All these cars go to Mexico. We caravan in Mexico. Caravan. You forgot what?
My sombrero. Shit, no.
This video was actually shot a while ago, probably over a month ago, and it took a while for me to put it out because we had lost a good homie, David, the homie in the RS3. He's a really positive dude in the car community out here, always making everybody laugh and smile, and always flexing his car. His car's fast, super fast. Like you saw it happen. Even though my clutch was messed up, I didn't lose the clutch until the second race. So like that thing's scooting for sure. I don't think I had a chance with that thing, but yeah, rest in peace, David, man. And we gonna keep racing for you, man. Keep running it.